We open with a nested entry class. Each entry holds a key, a value, and a reference to the next entry in the chain. This forms the linked list used for collision resolution, separate chaining. The key is final. Once inserted, a key never changes. The map holds an array of bucket heads, a count of entries, and two constants, initial capacity 16 and a load factor of 0.75. The constructor creates the array, with an unchecked cast, which is safe because we only store entry objects, and initializes size to 0. We use Java's built-in hashcode, wrapped by objects.hashcode, which safely handles null, returning 0. The absolute value modulo the array length gives a valid bucket index. This distribution determines performance. Good hashcodes spread keys evenly across buckets. Put first finds the bucket index. It then walks the linked list at that bucket. If it finds an entry with the same key, using objects.equals to handle null safely, it replaces the value and returns the old one. This is how maps enforce key uniqueness. If the key wasn't found, we create a new entry and place it at the head of the bucket's chain. This is faster than appending. Size increments. After insertion, we check if the load factor is exceeded. If yes, resize is called to keep operations fast. Get computes the index and walks the chain looking for the key. If found, the value is returned, otherwise null. Contains key delegates to get. The size, getter returns the element count. These are all O(1) average time operations, scaling with load. Remove walks the chain keeping a previous reference. When the key is found, it unlinks the node either by updating the bucket head or by setting prev next equals e.next. Size decrements, and the old value is returned. This maintains the chain integrity. Resize doubles the bucket array size, resets the size counter, and reinserts every existing entry via put. This rehashes keys into the new larger array, restoring the load factor. Then main adds, retrieves, updates, and removes entries, printing the results to verify correctness. You've built a working hash map from scratch, the same core as java.util.hashmap. Understanding separate chaining, load factor resizing, and hash distribution makes you a stronger developer and prepares you for low-level design interviews.